Hello?
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 Yeah, hey. Yeah,
Who is
stop
this?
yapping and listen. So you the one who hit my car?
What are you talking about?
Well, you left your phone number on my windshield.
No, I never.
Listen, B, you scratched my fender and busted out my taillight.
No fender and busted out no taillight and never left my phone number on your car.
Yes, you did.
What are you talking about?
Who your insurance company, B?
This is a Hazard phone number, buddy. You're calling from Hazard?
Yeah, don't lie to me.
You're calling from Hazard, and I live 3 hours from you, buddy.
Then why'd you leave a damn note?
I never left no note.
I'm losing my patience.